Good morning, students. Today we are going to study cubes and cube roots. Chapter 7. We have finished exercise 7.1 and 7.2. But today is some special type of questions related to cube roots. So, students, here is a question, that is, find the cube root of the following numbers, and the numbers are given here: 64 into 216, and in second case, that is 1728 divided by 2744, and this one 1458 into 108. We are going to find out the cube root of these numbers. Okay, students. So, in exercise 7.2, you have done the questions, that is simple questions, plain questions, only 5 digits or 6 digit questions they were. But here we find the multiplication of the numbers. Here this one division of the numbers, again multiplication of the numbers. So, we have to find out the square root of this type of question, cube roots of this type of questions. Then what will we do? Okay, students. So, first of all, we have to understand the concept. What is the concept? The concept that is same. If you are going to find out the cube root of any number, then you have to use prime factorization method, which you have already used in exercise 7.2. So, by using prime factorization method, we will find the cube root of these numbers. Okay. So, first number is given here. Now, we are going to find out the cube root of this number, that is, first number is, you have to find out the cube root of 64 into 216, students. Okay. So, this you can write cube root of 64 into cube root of 216. Okay, students, you can write this like this. After finding out the cube root of this one and this one, you can multiply and you will find the cube root of the whole number. Okay. Or in second case, find the prime factors of 64 and find the prime factors of 216. After that, you have to multiply the numbers, and after that you will choose 1 out of 3. Out of each triplets, you have to choose one number. Okay, students. So, find the prime factors of this number. What is the prime factor of 64? 64. First, find the prime factors of 64, and that is divided by 2, 32, again divided by 2, this one 16, again by 2, 8, by 2, 4, and by 2, that is 2, by 2, 1. Okay, student. So, this is the prime factors of the first number, that is 64, and again find the prime factors of the number 216. Okay, student. This number is 216, and you are going to find out the prime factors of this number, and that is divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, now 0, 2 8 ja 16. Okay. So, by 2 again, that is 2 5 ja 2, 4 ja, by 2 again 27, and take here 3, okay, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, and by 3 again we will got 1 here. Okay. So, prime factors of 216 are these. Okay. And prime factors of 64 are these ones, and group of 3. Okay, so write here all the prime factors of these two numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, put a sign of multiplication and write the prime factors of 216. Okay, so that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so make the group of 3 or make triplets. Clear? And out of each group you have to take one number. Okay, out of 3 you have to take 1. In square root out of 2 you have to choose 1, but in cube roots you will choose, out of 3 you will choose 1. Okay, so this one 2 from this group into 2 into 2 into 3. So number 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8 into 3, that is 24. So cube root of this number, okay, that is 24. So cube root of 64 into 216 is equal to 24. This is the answer, students. And you already know the cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 216 is 6. So 4 into 6, that is 24. Clear, students? So this type of questions you will do by two methods. First method is you can find the cube root of numbers separately, that is 64 and cube root of 216, and you will multiply that, okay, or find like this method. Okay, now we are going to find out the cube root of this number. Okay, students, now we are going to find out the cube root of the second question, that is 1728 divided by 2744. Okay, students, we are going to find out the cube root of this number. We can find the cube root of this number by first find the cube root of 1728. After that you will find the cube root of 2744. Okay, students, you can adopt this method like this. First of all, you have to find out the cube root of numerator. After that you will find the cube root of denominator, or direct you can do it. Okay, but before finding out the cube root of these numbers, first of all you have to find out the prime factors of the given numbers. So 1728 factors of this number. Okay, so by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2, this one 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 here, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2 1 ja and here 1, that is 0, and 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 5 ja and 2 4 ja 8. Okay, students, so this number is again by 2, that is 27, and by 3 9, again by 3 3 and use 3 one time more, and that is 1. The prime factors of numerator is this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, so write the prime factors of the number. Okay, this cube root of first 1728, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, and denominator, find the prime factors of denominator, that is 2744. Okay students, so divide it by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 1 17, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja and 2 3 ja. Now this number is 343 and this number is not divisible by 3 because the sum of this number is 3 4 7 3 10. Okay, this is not a multiple of 3, therefore we have to use another number. But after that prime number is 5 and this number is also not divisible by 5 because the last number, the unit digit is 3 here. So take here 7. Okay, 7 4 ja 28 and 6 63, 7 9 ja 63. Again by 7, 7 7 ja 49. Use 7 again, that is 1. The prime factor of the denominator, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay students, so out of each group, out of each triplets you have to choose one. Okay, so this one cube root of this one we have to choose one number from each group, that is first group, second group, third group of the numerator. Okay, numerator is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and denominator, that is first group and second group. Okay, that is 2 into 7. Clear students? So here 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12 and the denominator is 2 7 ja 14. So cube root of 1728 upon 2744 is equal to 12 by 14. Okay student, this is the answer. This is the cube root of this number. These numbers are not perfect cube numbers. Okay students, before this these numbers were perfect cube numbers. Okay, but this number is not a perfect cube number. 1458 is not a perfect cube and 108 is also not a perfect cube number. So we have to find the cube root of this number. After multiplying this number will be a perfect cube number. Okay, so we are going to find out the cube root of this number. So cube root of 1458 into 108. Okay students, so find the prime factors of these numbers first. 1458. First number, you will find the prime factors of this number. Okay, reduce it by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. This number is 729. Okay student, so this number is 7 to 9 9 18. This number is divisible by 3 because 18 is a multiple of 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, so this is 243. 4 to 6, this number, 3 4 7 to 9, again by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, again by 3, this one 27 and take 3 here, that is 9, again 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3, that is 1. So, prime factors of 1458 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is 6 time, students, okay, and 2 is 1 time only, okay. So, this number is not a perfect cube number, and we are going to find out the prime factors of 108 here, okay, students. So, find the prime factors of 108 and this one divide by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja, okay, again by 2, that is 27, again by 3, 9, by 3, 3 and by 3, that is 1. So, prime factors of 108 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 is 2 times here and 3 is 3 times, okay. So, group of 3 is completed here, but group of 2 is not completed here, and 2 is 1 time in this group. So, we are going to write the prime factors of these two numbers, okay. So, cube root of their factors, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Again write the factors of that number, that is 108, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, okay, students. So, write the factors in a sequence now. Cube root of this, that is 2 into 2 into 2, okay. Now 3 into 3 into 3, clear. Now this one second group, 3 into 3 into 3, and this one third group, into 3 into 3 into 3. So, make the groups of 3 or make triplets, okay, students. So, this one group of 2 is completed here, okay. So, out of each group you have to take one number, that is 2 into, that is 3 out of this group, and out of this group 3, and out of this group 1, that is 3. So, this one 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, 3 ja 54, clear, students. So, cube root of this number, that is 1458 into 108, okay. Cube root of 1458 into 108 is equal to 54, clear, students. So, if questions are this type, either questions are in multiplication form or in division, okay, students. Here is another type question, okay. In this question, find the side of a cube whose volume is 15.625 semi-cube, okay, students. This question is not related to your syllabus, but you have to know how can we find out the cube root of a number that is in decimal, okay. This number is a perfect cube number, okay. This is the volume of a cube and you have to find out the side, okay. So, volume of cube, it is given 15.625 semi-cube, okay, students. Let the side be x, let side of cube बी एक्स। हमने यहाँ क्यूब की साइड को x कंसीडर कर लिया। सो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू साइड इंटू साइड मीन्स x इंटू x, ओके, दैट इज 15.625 सेमी क्यूब, दैट इज x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 15.625 semi cube. Okay students, now you have to find out x, value of x. You have to find out the side of the cube, that will be cube root of 15.625. Okay students, now you are going to find out the cube root of a number that is a decimal number. Okay, how will you find this, the cube root of this number? So write this number like this: cube root of 15625. Okay student, decimal 1 2 3. So write the denominator of this number 1000. Okay students, now you are going to find out the cube root of a number that is in fraction. Okay, before this question I have explained about this type of number. How can we find the cube root of this number? We can find the cube root of this number first, after that we can find the cube root of this number, and we will divide the cube root, the numbers, to find out the cube root of these two numbers. Okay, or we can find the cube root of these number in one time. एक ही बार में हम इसका क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बट इसको नंबर्स को सेपरेट, इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स को हमें फाइंड आउट करना होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास सबसे इजी और सिर्फ सिंगल मेथड है कि हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से ही किसी नंबर का क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करते हैं. इस नंबर को हम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, this number is cube root of 625 divided by 1000. Okay, so find the prime factors of 15625 first. Okay, so this number 5 2 7 7 6 13 5 18 1 19, this is not divisible by 3. Okay, so divide it by 5. 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, and 2 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25, again by 5. 5 6 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, and this one 25, 5 5 ja 25, again by 5. 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja 5 5 ja by 5, that is 5 2 ja 5 5 ja by 5 this, and this will be 5, and by 5 1. Okay students, so prime factors of first number, numerator, that is called numerator, that is 6 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now find the prime factors of 1000. Okay, so prime factors of 1000 by 2, 500 again by 2, 250 again by 2. Okay, that is 125, and by 5, that is 25, and by 5, that is 5, again by 5, so 1 here. Okay student, so prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So out of each group you have to take one number. Okay, so numerator 5 into 5 and denominator 2 into 5, that is 5 5 ja 25 and that is 10. 25 by 10, this is the cube root of this number 15,625 upon 1000, but this number is in decimal number, so you have to put the answer in decimal, that is 2.5. Divide this number 25 by 10, you will got 2.5. So using this method you can find out the cube root of a number that is in decimal form. Okay, so you students remember this. If you are going to find out the cube root of a number that is given in decimal, first of all you have to change this number in a fraction. इसको फ्रैक्शन में हमको चेंज करना होगा, उसके डिनोमिनेटर को हम चेंज कर देंगे. डिनोमिनेटर जैसे वहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर को 1000 या फॉलोड बाई अगेन 000, दैट इज 1 फॉलोड बाई 6 zeros, इस तरह से नंबर्स चेंज होंगे. जो भी नंबर आएगी नीचे वो परफेक्ट क्यूब में ही होगी नंबर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो वो डबल जीरो में नहीं आएगी. जब भी जीरो आएगा तो ऑड टाइम में वहाँ जीरो आएगा, क्योंकि ये नंबर्स जो दी जाएंगी वो नंबर्स परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर्स होंगी. इसलिए ये इसको जब भी हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसमें या तो आफ्टर 6 डिजिट्स होगा, डेसिमल के बाद 6 डिजिट्स होंगी या 3 डिजिट्स होंगी, इस तरह से होगा नंबर. तो तभी वो परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर्स होंगी और हम 1000 या 1 फॉलोड बाई 6 zeros, इससे हम डिवाइड करके उस नंबर का जो डेसिमल में नंबर्स होंगी उसका हम क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं.